India's Choksi hunt intensifies. India gives big extradition assurance. India to Belgium. No solitary cell for Choksi. India has made an assurance. No overcrowded barrack. I'm going to go straight across to Shreya Chatterjee, tracking those details very carefully at this point in time. Shreya, talk to us about how India has said we will do what we can, pledging 24/7 security. Also saying that there will be no overcrowded barracks, given that concerns were raised by Choksi himself. Talk to us about this entire matter.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. This is actually a part of the entire extradition process of Mehul Choksi that is actually under its way. Remember, he's being investigated by the Enforcement Directorate and the Central Bureau of Investigation in that PNB fraud scam. Now, as a part of the process, the Indian government has actually given a letter of assurance to the Belgium authorities that there will be no inhuman treatment meted to Mehul Choksi. We have actually accessed the letter of assurance that has been given. In that letter of assurance, it's been clearly said that he will not be kept in any solitary confinement. He will be kept in barrack number 12 of Arthur Jail in Mumbai, and his cell will be monitored 24/7. It's important to find out that, the extradition hearing is right now pending for the second week of September. So just another week later, we will see that extradition hearing continue. Just before that, this letter of assurance somewhere down the line speeds up the entire process, and the Indian government has very categorically said that there will be at least 3 square meters of personal space in his cell. This is excluding the furniture. He will have time for medical facilities, drinking water. There'll be access to proper toilet, recreations daily. So it's a very lengthy letter that we have accessed that was actually written by the Indian government to the Belgium authorities in this process of extradition that is currently under its way of Mehul Choksi.
I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Shreya Chatterjee getting us up to speed with those details. The hunt for Choksi and the effort to bring him back to the country has in fact expedited here. India has given assurances now to the authorities in Belgium, saying that we will do what we can to address his concerns. There will be no solitary holding for Choksi, though the barracks wouldn't be overcrowded, and that he would be monitored, his security would be monitored 24/7, says India.